let's continue now. Welcome back, everyone. So what happens, you have seen Prospero has called for Ariel, and now what he says is, Ariel says, what would my potent master? Here I am. So what he says, what my strong master, powerful master, what he wants? Come on, tell me, I'm here now to accede to your wish. Prospero says, though and thy meaner fellows your last service did worthily perform. What he says, कि now you and your fellows, your friends, will be performing last worldly service to me. Why does he call it a last worldly service?
Because after this Prospero free Ariel from his rule.
Yes, he had promised to free your Ariel, yes. So he has decided to continue his promise, and because now after this he will go back to Millennium, go back to his place. So there is no need of the Ariel on other spirits as such. Yes, so that's what he says. Okay, now because I will be means you will perform your last worldly action here. Clear?
हाँ भाई हम
Hello.
yes ma'am.
Yes, what someone said? What's not clear? Yes.
मैम आज संडे को क्लास रखी गई
मैम इतनी मांग
याद आ गया तुम्हें? Shut up. Now Prospero says, and though and thy meaner fellows fine, this is explained, and I must use you in such another trick. Go, bring the rabble over whom I give the power. Yes.
मैम आज आप बहुत अच्छी लग रही
क्या चाहते हैं? अपनी स्क्रीन म्यूट कर दूं, स्क्रीन हटा दूं? आपको डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है?
नो मैम इंग्लिश पढ़ेंगे
नहीं, मुझे पता है आप, मैं ये थोड़ी कह रही हूँ कि आप
आज कंटिन्यू 4 बजे तक क्लास लगाइए इंग्लिश की
गिरोगे वहीं पड़े रहोगे, बेहोश हो जाओगे, और हमारा क्या है, हम तो लेक्चर मारते रहेंगे, आपका छूट जाएगा. So what it says here, go bring the rebels over whom I give thee power here to this place. Means what it says, to go and get the people. Rabble here stands for crowd. Yes. So that's what it says. Go and bring those people who over whom I have given you the power. Incite them to quick motion, for I must bestow upon the eyes of some of this young couple some vanity of mine art, and it is my promise, and they expect it from me. So what he says, now just go and fetch them, because to this couple I want to show my magic. I had already promised, and they are expecting to watch the show. Now, Ariel says presently means what it says, immediately you are going to do them. Should I bring them immediately?
बालकनी पे निकलो
Hello? What he says, he is asking whether Prospero wants him to perform immediately. Prospero says, A, with a twink. So what he says, yes, just within the blink of an eye. Understood? Means within a second. Ariel says, before you can say come and go and give breath twice in Christ, so each one tripping on his toe will be filled with mop and moan. Do you love me, master? No. So what he says, before you will say come or go, before you will speak a single word, before you can just say so, means before this little time, before this Stop buzzing. So what it says, before this little time, I mean, I will not take even a little part of time before performing my duty. And yes, master, now tell me whether you love me for that or not. Clear? You see, your Ariel's dialogues are quite rhythmic. Why? Because he is the source of music in the play. He performs the music in the play. Clear? Understood? Prospero says, dearly means what it says? He confesses, yes, I love you so dearly. Now come, my Ariel, bring a corollary rather than wondrous spirit, appear and prettily. No tongue, all eyes, be silent. No tongue, all eyes means don't speak, just watch. Clear? Now what it says, okay, my Ariel, I want to see you now, means now I want everyone to see you now. And please don't speak, just see, just watch what happens. Now soft music is there, enter Iris means what happens, very soft music is being played here. And Iris, that is a god of rainbow.
Ma'am, again
yes.
Ferdinand's speech has been left.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not
Prospero's
Ma'am,
also,
may I
ma'am.
share screen? You
yeah.
remove the option of sharing screen of host. So students share the screen and you can teach.
Okay, fine. Sure.
पागल हो, मैम को देखने दो, मैम इतनी अच्छी लग रही है.
Kartikeya will get a tight slap. You know that I can slap you, and that's the reason you are taking advantage of. Huh?
मैम
It's
okay,
absolutely-
मैम unslap.
Yes, now. Better do it vertical. Do it vertical, बच्चे.
अबे कार्तिक आज पढ़ने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा.
So Rishi, should I remove you?
अरे नहीं मैम, पढ़ेंगे पढ़ेंगे.
तो मुंह बंद करके पढ़ेंगे.
हम आप पढ़ाइए तो पढ़ेंगे. आप अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर करिए. ऊपर पता नहीं किसको पकड़ा दिया आपने.
Shut up. Yes, now. Beta, Yashi.
Oh my God, हंसी तो फंसी.
क्या बोले भाई, मैम है.
Sorry मैम, अब नहीं बोलेंगे.
One more word and I will suspend you from my class. I won't ever accept you in my class.
मैम इंग्लिश पढ़ेंगे.
Yashi, beta, do it vertical. I can't read horizontal.
हाँ वर्टिकल करो, हॉरिजॉन्टल दिख रहे.
कि नहीं रहा, पता नहीं कैसे कर रखा है.
Correct.
Rotate the screen, बच्चे.
मैम बस अब आप दिख रही हैं, बस अब रहने दीजिए, ना दिखाइए उनको.
Yes, share the screen, बच्चे ना.
मैम अब
मैम कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा. आप भी गई. हम गई. रिधिमा बालकनी पे आओ यार.
Ma'am, is it now visible?
Yes, now it's clear. So we have seen. Now Prospero says, dearly, fine, fine, this is done. And after that, Ariel's fine, Prospero.
मैम आपकी वॉइस बहुत धीरे आ रही है.
Yes, ma'am.
Now Prospero says, look though, be true, do not give dalliance too much than rain. The strongest oath are sure. The strongest oath are sure. ये क्या हुआ? Okay. The strongest oath कहाँ गया भाई? Yes, to the fire in the blood.
Ma'am,
Be
ma'am,
more
excuse me, ma'am.
abstemious or else. Good night, Nuvo. Now what he says? Ki now you just
Excuse me,
don't scope.
मैम ये आप अपनी इंस्टा आईडी बता सकती हैं?
Will you shut up, Rishi? Or
Ma'am,
should
I
I
was
send
not
you
there.
out?
Ma'am, I was not there.
Then who is that?
Ma'am, I don't know. Ma'am, आवाज पहचानी है?
So what he says? Look, though be true,
भाई
do not give
इंस्टा आईडी बता दीजिए.
means what he says? Ki just be true. Don't play any sports, or means don't be tricky. Too much the rain, the strongest oath are sure to the fire in the blood. Means what he says, ki if too much of a scope is there for these tricks, yes, there is too much scope for the tricks, but it will just hot in the blood, means getting the blood hot means getting in the very restless condition, very overexcited condition. All right. Be more abstemious or else good night. The vote. What he says here? Ki just be more self-restrained, means controlled. Otherwise, just say good night. Clear? Now Ferdinand says, I warrant you, sir, means what he says, ki I assure you, sir.
हम चेंज होने की क्या artificial?
The white.
Fear.
What he says, I warrant you, sir, means I assure you, sir, the white cold virgin show upon my heart, abate the arbor of my liver. Means what he says, ki I assure you, sir, this white cold virgin, this is your Miranda. What he says, ki she has the capability, she has stolen my love. Now Prospero says, well, come now, Ariel, bring a colony. Means what he says, ki just come, Ariel, and give some super magical powers to it, rather than his spirit appear and partially. Means what he says, ki I don't appear like a spirit. Just appear in a nimb manner, in a slow manner. No tongue, all eyes, be silent. Means what he says, ki I don't want anyone to speak. Just keep watching and be silent. Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Okay, now soft music is being played. Enter Iris. Now what it is, that soft music, it is being played, and the gods of the god of rains and rainbows, they enter. All right, Iris is the god of rainbow. Clear?
भाई ना
Who
बोलो
is this Raju Lohar? Mute. Niyaz, mute.
Ma'am, he is some Raju Lohar of 12th D.
Fine. Gone. Okay, now, what happens here? Iris says, Charis, a more bounteous lady, means what he says. Charis is the god of fruits and grains on the earth. All right. And most bounteous ladies, lady means what it is. She is quite generous. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. You all must be knowing that grains are called as cereals.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Because Ceres, that is the goddess of crops and fruits that is grown on the earth. Yes. Thy rich leaves of wheat, rye, barley, wedges, oats, peas, these all are the grains. These all are the crops that human beings eat and they survive with.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thy truly mountains where live nibbling sheep. Means turfy mountains means the mountains and the places that are quite fertile one. All right. So what he says, he means they are addressing to that very grassy and beautiful and fertile land. And flat meads. Meads here stands for meadows, pastures, thatched with store them to keep. Means what he says, the meadows that are covered with the means stove is the stovers is the, you can say, grains that are used for the cattle, that is the fodder, you can say. Understood? Thy banks with the piled untwiling brims with spongy
Ma'am, I like you.
Hello? Which sponges April as at thy hest betrims to make
I am
gold
not you.
rims, cast crowns. So what he says, that all these things that are used for living creatures to survive,
Rishi ma'am को
and thy
बताओ.
prune groves, Kartikeya, will you put a tape on
Ma'am.
it or should I?
Sorry,
Be
ma'am.
silent.
I'm going to put Niyaz, Kartikeya, and these all out.
ये रियाज कौन टिकटॉक वाला है क्या? मैम हटाइए नहीं मैम, प्लीज मैम, सॉरी मैम, I'm last warning.
And again you will do.
No ma'am, I'll not.
मैम को ना करो परेशान, बाकियों को कर लो.
Okay.
अच्छा,
आगे लो मैम, परेशान
ठीक.
क्यों करें?
बाकी तुम चैट पे बातें कर लो ग्रेसी से.
ये कौन है? भैया ग्रेसी जो कोई हो, मैसेज करो मुझे.
Ma'am, please proceed on.
Ma'am, please remove them.
I have removed them. Only Niyaz is left,
No.
and that is also going now. Only Niyaz is left, and that is also going now. Fine. Now I hope there is no disturbing element. Understood
ये
this?
लोग नाम चेंज करते हैं तो आप मैम पहले कर देना चाहिए था आपको.
नाम चेंज करते हैं?
यस
मैम
मैम,
ये
ऑप्शन होता है इसमें.
कार्तिकेय
ऑप्शन होता है इसमें मैम चेंज करने का. कार्तिकेय अमन के एक आया था, वो भी बार बार नाम चेंज कर रहा था अपना. राजू जो था वो भी चेंज
राजेश
कर रहा था बार बार अपना.
और मैम ऋषि भी थे, नियाज भी थे।
कर तो दिया है, इन सबको हटा तो दिया है, लेकिन अब मुझे नाम चेंज कर, मुझे एक्चुअली इतनी सारी सेटिंग्स पता नहीं है बेटा. जिसको मैं देखती हूँ कि हाँ ये डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है उसको हटा देती हूँ. अब कौन क्या है चेंज करके आ रहा है ये सब नहीं जान पाती हूँ. मुझे पर्सनल इनबॉक्स में मैसेज डाल दिया करो.
मैम डाला तो था इससे पहले एक बार
जैसे
कि मैम वो
तो जैसे
ऋषि है।
हटा भी तो दिया था, तो तुरंत तो हटाया मैंने.
उस रात में राजू को हटाया था, कोई था लोहर या पता नहीं कुछ लिखा था।
हाँ
मैम कंटिन्यू वो इरेज वाला
Okay.
पूरा स्टैंजा।
Okay, nice. Now fine. Iris ni Iris. Iris says, Sir's most bounteous lady. Cirrus is, means you can understand by cereals, all right? That is the goddess of agriculture, fertile things, fruits, grains, all right?
मैम ये
Understood?
सिरिस उस गॉडेस का नाम है।
हाँ जी.
एंड
सिरस जो है ये गॉडेस का नाम है, जो कि देखो आयरिस भी है गॉडेस, बट ये गॉडेस ऑफ रेनबो है. ठीक है, रेनबो कब होता है? ये
आफ्टर रेन।
रेन. ठीक है, और ये क्या शो करता है कि गॉड्स आर वेरी हैप्पी. अंडरस्टूड?
यस मैम।
ज्यूनो है, ज्यूनो तो जानती हो ना, मर्चेंट ऑफ वेनिस में पढ़ा था ज्यूनो.
ज्यूनो मैम वो शायद टू हेडेड
हाँ
रोमन गॉड थे जो एक
हाँ
तरफ
हाँ
हैप्पीनेस
हाँ
वो।
हाँ 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 हाँ. ठीक है, तो उनके ये सी, जैसे हर चीज के मीन्स एवरीथिंग हैज टू साइड्स. ओके, so before the rain it gets very hot and before the after the rain it gets cool. Yes,
यस मैम।
something ends and something restarts. So this
Yes.
Iris, this is the goddess that is like a messenger to Juno and other gods. Clear?
ओके मैम।
Rainbow god means rainbow gives the message. Yes. Now find whether it's gonna come. Yes.
यस
And
मैम।
Cirrus, you understand? Cirrus?
Cereals you can say।
Yes. That is a
we can
goddess.
say na this
That is
word
also
is
a
derived from।
No, cereal word is derived from Cirrus.
okay।
This word, it is derived from Cirrus. And Cirrus is a goddess. All right. That is goddess of fertility, agriculture, fruits, grains. Understood?
Ma'am, why they are entered here? Because Prospero was going to create some magic and all, no? So what are they doing here? Iris and Sirius.
Why they are here? See, these are not gods who have entered here. These are spirits in the disguise of goddess and gods. Understood? These are the spirits in disguise of gods and goddesses. Understood that?
All right. Yes, ma'am.
So these have come here to signify, see, the time when means Prospero and Miranda, they all were living in the island, isolated one, this and that. It is gonna over? Yes?
yes ma'am।
Again, meeting is gonna be means out and you will rejoin it or not. Overdose तो नहीं हो रही है?
अभी तो नहीं,
अभी तो नहीं,
अभी
थोड़ा सा झेल लेंगे।
मैम
Yes?
क्योंकि इससे पहले सारी
Ma'am, at
क्लास
1 we
में
have
तो
our
बकवास होती रही।
accountancy test.
Okay. So before you will start that,
मैम
I
आप बस
can
करिए।
बस कर दूं?
यस
ठीक
मैम,
है।
थक गए।
Okay, so we'll continue it tomorrow. But let's see this dialogue. बीच में नहीं छोड़ेंगे वरना फिर start करना पड़ेगा। Okay. So what he says here, कि they see addresses to the thatched meadows and thy banks with pine untwilled brims with spongy April as they has. क्या हुआ? ये वाला स्पीच वैसे थोड़ा टफ है आप लोगों के लिए। समझने की मूड में हो या नहीं?
यस मैम, नहीं है। अब हम कल स्टार्ट करिएगा। नहीं स्टार्ट
Alright.
नहीं।
मैम आप कल पढ़िएगा प्लीज।
Fine, we'll do it tomorrow. All right, we'll continue it tomorrow. Your homework is you will read this text, underline the difficult words, write the meaning over there, and learn the references. Many references are there. Is that clear or not?
Yes ma'am.
All these meanings and references you will be learning. Clear? Then only you will understand, otherwise not. अभी अगर ये सब पढ़ा होता एक बार सीरीज और आयरिस और ये सब पढ़े होते तो फिर आपको एक बार में क्लियर हो जाता था। फाइन
फाइन मैम।
ओके,
गुड आफ्टरनून, हैव अ गुड डे।
ओके बाय।
Thank you ma'am.